What we're going to do now is have a look at how collections work within the library module. Now, we're well aware that will automatically create all these great folders for us to go and click on and find when certain images were created. But sometimes you want to create a collection either for a client or for a particular holiday you've been on. So this is where we can now start to customize and create our collections for our own use. So if I just come back up here and choose all my photographs and come down to my collections, I have these smart ones that are already in place, and we can tell that things that have got star ratings or colored red will appear. So we've got these smart ones there. I'm going to show you how to make more smart ones, as well as how just to make a standard collection that you can use. So let me have a quick look here. I'll identify some photographs that we can use. There we go. Let's use these water ones right here. So the first thing I do is I look at these images and I go, I'd love to make a collection about them. So I can simply click on the first one, move down. There's a fair few of them here. Well, coming down to the last one, hold my shift key, and I've selected the whole lot. So I want to turn these into a collection. So I can come across here to the collection and just hit the little plus symbol, and I can then create a collection. And what I do is I've got to name this collection, so I'm just going to call it Flowing Water, and that's going to be the name of my new collection. Now I can create this as just a collection set next to as part of Smart Collection or inside a particular collection. So I'm just going to have it next to, and notice here I can include the selected photos, and they're the ones that I've got already, or I can actually tick a box here and not even use these photos and make virtual copies. But all I do now is just simply click and it is created for us. So notice I've still got all my smart collections there, but at the same time I now have all these flowing water ones. So I can just come through, I can move anywhere, and that's all that's in that collection. I'm not seeing any other images. Even on the film strip, everything's gone. It's only that particular collection I'm working with. And I can take it into other modules, work on those particular images. If I was going to create a book, for example, I may want to create a collection of images for that book. And I can do that by doing it this way. Smart collections, however, are a little bit different. However, they do work very similar. So I'll go back to all my photos again. And all I'm going to simply do is, I don't know where any of the images are here, they're all over the place. But a smart collection, what it actually does is it works on keywords or certain features, certain types of lenses. You have a whole heap of options that you can create. So at the top here, I'm going to create a smart collection, rightio, but I've just got to rename it. I'm going to name these ones awnings from those photographs I did the other day. I can have it inside another set of collections if I want to. Maybe if I was doing it for a particular client and I've got a whole heap of different shoots I've done for them, or a particular location, and there may be different shoots done there. It's really up to you. Your imagination's it. But this is where it comes to the interesting bit. Match all with the following rules. And this is where we set rules of what is actually going to appear in here. So if I click on here, for example, and I've got so many choices. I can use aperture settings, ISOs, GPS settings, metadata information, stuff, the date it was captured, the date it was edited. There is so many titles, the types of camera it was. There are all these different options you had. I'm just going to use keywords. How simple is that? Because we've given our images keywords, and I've already put over here the word awning. So I've typed that in there, and then simply all I do is go create. And as you can see here, here it is, right there, and it's already been loaded up with all these images. Wow, ready to go. So that's what a smart collection is. It works on creating some stuff. But notice I've got this image in here, and I think, oh, what's going on here? That's not part of it. I've keyworded that wrong. If for some reason I've done something like that, it's just a matter of clicking on that image, right, coming across to the keywords here, and simply removing them. And then going back to all my photographs. And this time when I come to that set of awnings, notice that image isn't there anymore. It is that quick and simple to remove a keyword if there's something wrong with an image. But hey, This is all about collections, and we can make now smart collections, and we can just make a standard collection. So you can go through and just grab a body of work that you want to work on, and you're not seeing hundreds of images.